Welcome to my channel, dear friends, where we discuss the latest news from the world of cryptocurrencies. Today, November 29th, 2025, we will talk about Bitcoin, the main star of the crypto market. Bitcoin continues to keep everyone on edge. After the recent decline, the price stabilized around $91,000, showing a slight decrease of 0.23% according to the CoinDesk index. But let's take a closer look at what's happening today. We've gathered for you the key events, analysis, and forecasts so you can stay up to date on all the most important things. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, this overview will help you make informed decisions. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest updates. Discover Etherify, a trusted project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks, I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which demonstrates the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most profitable staking rates. First, let's talk about the current price. At the time of preparing this video, Bitcoin is trading just above $90,900 after yesterday's Thanksgiving rally in the US. This is a slight drop, but the market is showing signs of recovery. The premium on the Coinbase exchange, which reflects demand in the US, has turned positive for the first time in several weeks, indicating a renewed interest from American investors. Let me remind you that the premium is the difference in Bitcoin's price on Coinbase compared to other platforms, and its increase often signals a bullish trend. Overall, Bitcoin has rebounded by 6% after last week's recent crash, which gives hope for further growth. One of the main news stories of the day is the actions of MicroStrategy, a company that recently rebranded as Strategy. This firm, led by Michael Saylor, has moved billions of dollars into Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is known as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, and such moves often impact the entire market. This could be part of their strategy to optimize their portfolio or to prepare for new purchases. Investors are watching this closely because Saylor is one of the most influential Bitcoin advocates, and his actions often serve as a signal for others. By the way, on social networks like X, formerly Twitter, users are actively discussing why Elon Musk is silent about Bitcoin, commenting on everything except crypto. Some suggest that Tesla holds huge reserves, and Musk simply isn't focusing on short-term trends. But not all the news is positive. Bitcoin is going through a tough month. The price has dropped, and investors are fleeing in search of a safe haven. This is being called the crash of internet gold, and many are moving to more stable assets. In November, Bitcoin, like Nvidia, showed a decline, which is linked to the overall trends in the tech and crypto markets. Analysts note that the cryptocurrency market is stabilizing, but short-term volatility may increase due to holiday slowdowns in the US and Europe. Post-holiday capital flows could determine the next big move. Let's move on to technical analysis. Bitcoin is showing signs of recovery after recent declines. Technical indicators point to a potential rally toward the $98,000 to $102,000 levels, thanks to a strong upward trendline and a possible breakout on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, Bitcoin closed with a spinning top pattern, which indicates uncertainty but also potential for growth. The pivot zone is at the $90,900 level. This is a key level for making decisions. If the price holds above it, we could see a move toward $100,000. In South Korean news, the government plans to block high-risk foreign exchanges for local users, which will restrict trading and transfers. This could affect the global market, especially Asian traders. Another interesting topic is token unlocks. Today, November 29th, the Hype project will unlock 2.68% of its circulating supply, amounting to $318,920,000. Tomorrow, on November 30th, KMNO will unlock 5.65%, an amount equivalent to a significant portion of the market. Such events often cause volatility as new tokens enter circulation and may be sold. From the world of altcoins, Ethereum could rise to $3,500 as the market recovers, while XRP is showing a bullish reversal. But Bitcoin is dominating, and its dominance is increasing. In South Korea, Naver has bought Upbit for $10 billion, which will strengthen the exchange's position. Tether is hedging gold at $26 trillion, and Bhutan is staking Ethereum. Stellar is integrating Chainlink for DeFi. Pi Network is showing a price increase to $0.26 after the announcement. AI forecasts put XRP at $5.25 by the end of the year. The Fear and Greed Index is at 16. But the macroeconomy might thaw. Analysts from Bitwise say that Bitcoin hasn't seen such an asymmetric risk-reward profile since the COVID era. We're in a similar macro situation. Recession fears, Fed tightening, the FTX collapse, all of that is already priced in. Bitcoin dropped below 90,000 but quickly bounced back. Some experts believe we're on the verge of a new rally and $100,000 is back in play. New whale investors are capitulating with losses, while old holders remain silent and hold their positions. The price is stuck in the range of $81,000 to $89,000. We're waiting for new liquidity. In the US, the labor market is weakening, which raises the stakes for crypto in December and January. Outflows from Bitcoin ETFs have reached $1,220 million, but inflows into ETFs are helping to stabilize the price. J.D. Vance gave an official nod to Bitcoin from the government, which could attract more investment. Texas is buying Bitcoin. The Fed plans to pump assets in December. Mane is pushing back against Cardano's censorship by breaking the chain. Discussions are heating up on social media. Users are sharing their predictions. Bitcoin is consolidating around 90,000. We're waiting for a breakout. Some are complaining about token dumps, like in the case of Linnea, which dropped by 4.2% after the Binance airdrop. Fiat holders are complaining about inflation, emphasizing that Bitcoin is a deflationary asset created as a way out of the system. To sum up, today, Bitcoin is showing mixed signals: stabilization after a decline, positive indicators like the Coinbase premium and growth forecasts, but also volatility risks from unlocks and regulatory news. If you're investing, remember the risks. The market is unpredictable. Watch the key levels with $90,900 as the pivot. In the long term, Bitcoin remains digital gold, and many analysts believe it has the potential to reach six-figure levels soon. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the bell, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.